A very warm word of welcome to Westbourne in Ennis in County Clare, and we reflect today on the beauty of nature as a sign of God's goodness and His continuing presence to us, which is reflected, of course, in any of the seasons, but particularly in the springtime in all its richness and variety, and springing forth in so many ways. Gerard Hopkins, the great religious poet, captures that in so many of his poetry, particularly in his poem God's Grandeur, where he tells us the world is charged with the grandeur of God. What a great term to use, grandeur, and is charged. And also in his poem called Spring, it captures that so much, where it runs, "Nothing is so beautiful as spring, with weeds in wheels, shoot long and lovely and lush, thrush's eggs look like little low heavens, and thrush throwing the echoing timber does so rinse and ring the ear, it strikes like lightnings to hear him sing. The glassy pear tree leaves and blooms, they brush the descending blue, that blue is all in a rush, with richness the racing lambs too have fair their fling." So may the beauty and the presence of God that is reflected to us through that reach us and reach deep down into our hearts in this beautiful springtime, and may what we do never disfigure the beauty of that creation. Amen.